Save big money, you save big money when you shop Menards. Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video, and guess where I am? My favorite store in all the world. Now I have done a store tour of Menards before. You can watch that video if you want. But I was just going by and I thought, I gotta stop. I gotta stop. Not that I'm gonna get anything, but I mean, just look around a little bit because it is my favorite store. So this is another little Menards visit. So a few fun facts about Menards. Menards was started by John Menard in 1958 in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. That was the first store. Now there is 340 stores in 15 states, including Wisconsin, Minnesota, South Dakota, North Dakota, Iowa, Nebraska, Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, West Virginia, Kansas, I don't know. There's like 15 states. Anyway, yeah, this is just a great store. They got everything here. Just show you a few things that are some of my favorite things about Menards. As we go in, I'll show you. Again, I've done a full tour of Menards. I'm not going to do a full tour today, but just show you a few of my favorite things. Menards is big. It's a big store. I'm not going to take a cart because I'm not planning on buying anything. But yeah, again, they have everything here. Not only do they have tools and lumber, but they have electrical and plumbing and paint and kitchen cabinets and I mean, they have everything here. They have clothing, they have pet supplies, they have food and snacks and gadgets and gifts and all kinds of cool stuff. I'm just going to show you a few of my favorite things about Menards, like this. Look at, oh, I love these things. I haven't seen these forever. I used to get them all the time, those little beef stick ends and pieces. I mean, they got food, they got snacks, they got, oh yeah, just, and gadgets and gifts and, ooh yeah, just all kinds of cool things. Special buys on tools. I mean, just, oh. Hammers. Do you need a hammer? Look at the array of hammers and the array of saws. Oh, it's just crazy. Need a level? Need to get on the level? That's a lot of levels. Air compressors. Actually, one of my favorite things about Menards is this is where I get my Olson scroll saw blades. I know there's lots of other brands out there, and I'm kind of old-fashioned. I know I need to order some in bulk because they're a lot cheaper. Routers, where'd the scroll saws go? They're down this way. But I like my Olson blades. I also like Flying Dutchman, but then they got some table saws. Oh, here they go. A couple of, they got a Performax scroll saw and a Mastercraft. That one's not a bad one, actually. For 239 bucks. That was 119 bucks. But again, I'd rather get used scroll saws on Marketplace. Much better deals. But yeah, here's the Olson blades. That's pretty much what I use. And the one I always get is right here. And yeah, they're $5 for 6. That's kind of spendy. You can get them in bulk much cheaper. I really need to order them. Actually, that's number 7. There's number 9. Where's number 5? Yeah, you know, as long as I'm here, might as well get some. But yeah, Olson PGT number 5. That's what I use for almost everything. And they got a lot of other ones, but I like those ones, so yeah. But that's one of my favorite things in Menards is my scroll saw blades. Yeah, lots of tools. But what is another one of my favorite things about Menards? Oh, I know. Well, too bad it's not Christmas time because they have like Christmas land here with tons of Christmas trees and decorations, and they have all kinds of seasonal stuff here too. Well, the middle of the store is all seasonal, different times of the year. Valentine's Day tinsel. Well, that's different. I've never seen Valentine's tinsel before. That's a little strange. They do have some camping supplies, actually. Not a lot, but they got some. Oh, those are cute. Okay, that's what's the cool thing about Menards is they have everything. It's not just home improvement. I mean, they got so much here, so many different things that a lot of stores don't have. I mean, they even have lots of toys. You know, I mean, Menards has, and they have outdoor stuff, lawn and garden, and just everything. So Menards is actually, I think it's the third largest home improvement store. I'm guessing next to Lowe's and Home Depot. But there's a few things about Menards that make it a lot better, that I think. So for one thing, they have a much better selection on wood, and we are going over to the wood. They have a much better selection of wood, and they have all the like gifts and gadgets and stuff that you don't see at Lowe's or Home Depot. Also, they have a hometown feel. It's a big store, but it just feels like a small town hardware store, really. I mean, look, they got furniture and everything. I mean, Menards has everything, and they have books and magazines and snacks and food and pet food and doors and windows and all kinds of stuff. Oh my goodness, they got an elevator here. There's the song, When You Shop Menards. Can't believe they got an elevator at this Menards. That's crazy. Yeah, they actually have a ton of food here, really. Save big money, save big money when you shop Menards. Okay, so scroll saw blades, that's one of my favorite things. Another one of my favorite things is the books and magazines they have here. So, all kinds of, I mean, what do we got? Gardening stuff here. And we got some regular books too. Oh, yeah, Old Farmer's Almanac. I haven't read that in years. You know, just different country books, country living, fishing, different gardening things and grilling, and novels and stuff. But here we go. There we go. Yes, cabinets, bookcase. Easy wood carving for children. That's pretty cool. Minimalist woodworker. Wood pallets. Oh, there we go. Scroll saw. Handmade wooden puzzle. Ooh. That's a new one. I haven't seen that book before. Might have to think about that. I just might have to think about that. But yeah, they have a lot of really good books here. Outdoor books, look at that. Foraging, ooh, that's pretty cool. Boy, that would be a fun one to have too. Yes, definitely. Woodworking tips. Ooh, look at that. 500 patterns for woodworking, laser cutting, and general crafting. So, obviously, that could be for scroll sawing too. Huh, that's a new one. Boy, they're always coming out with new pattern books and designs, and yeah, so I really like their selection of books. It's a very unique home improvement store. Protein bars. Yeah. Okay, so scroll saw blades, books, and there's snacks. I want to show you the selection of snacks. You know what? They're playing music here, so YouTube's probably going to flag this video, and I'll probably have to dub over it. But they got, look at, they got cheese balls. Why do they put these in a giant. I mean, I guess if you like cheese balls, you might as well have a big jar of them. But yeah, they have chips. Yeah, I got a thing about chips. I don't eat chips like I used to, but all kinds of. That look different. Wow, like cookies. Oh, and they got pretzels. And more chips, marshmallows, fruit snacks. I mean, look at, they even got frozen food here. Look at that. Pizzas. Pizzas at Menards. Lowe's and Home Depot. Can you say that? I don't think you can say that. Look at ice cream, y'all. Again, I did a full tour. I'm not doing a full tour. I'm just showing you some of the fun stuff. Look at crackers. They have a really good selection of nuts. And they have corn nuts and pistachios. And beef jerky and beef sticks. I like their selection of beef sticks. And even summer sausage. Yes. That's another one of my favorite things at Menards. So, yes. Okay. So, yeah, maybe this video can be my top 5 favorite things at Menards. Scroll saw blades. Books. Snacks. And number 4, you see it coming, you see it coming. Their selection of wood. Nobody has a selection of wood like Menards. I mean, not only do they have pine and lumber and plywood and all that, but their selection of hard and softwood. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Amazing, I'm telling you. They have alder, they have mahogany, they have hickory, maple, poplar, aspen. These are kind of cool for some projects. Edge glued pine big boards and circles and squares. Gives me an idea. I might get one of those right there because I'm going to make an American flag this weekend. Haven't made one in a while. And I have a unique way of making my flag. So I'll do a video on that. Oh, look at it. Wow. I didn't know they had them that big. 3 foot round. 4 foot round. Look at that. Good night. That's pretty cool, the edge glued pine. Ooh, look at the slabs. I've never seen slabs at Menards. Very cool. Boy, make a coffee table out of one of them. Very cool. I've never seen those at Menards. And of course they have oak. And one thing that some of the Menards have are random oak and random yellow birch. And sometimes maple. But I haven't seen it for a while, so I don't know if they quit carrying it, but it was really good deals. Look at these big slabs of oak here. My goodness. Look at that. That's a slab of oak. Good night. Wow. 1 3/8 inches thick, 24 inches wide, 5 feet long. That's a slab of oak, I tell you. Oh my goodness, yeah. But yeah, you know, and they have all the other stuff too. You know, plywood and pegboard and of course, they have pine boards and cedar and all that. They have an incredible selection of wood. But this is where I get most of my wood for my woodworking projects. Oh, here comes this song again. You gotta love it. I'm gonna end this video now with this song because that's my 5th favorite thing about Menards. The song. And not just the song, but because it's a hometown wonderful store. It's got everything. I love Menards. People are looking at me weird, but that's okay. Save big money when you shop Menards. I'm gonna get a poplar board, I think. Look at this. It's an escalator thing. It's a moving sidewalk in Menards. How cool is that? Yeah, I'm going up this thing with my car. There's an upstairs. There's an upstairs at Menards, y'all. You gotta love it. I love Menards. I love Menards. Well, I got a couple things. I mean, you know. Okay, I made it up that thing without getting injured. They got a piano here. They got a piano in Menards. What other store can say that? Gotta love Menards.